Welcome back, my friends. Today we are at the range with the 450 Bushmaster. We are here all by ourselves. We got the range all alone. We're sighting in our Bushmaster with the Hornady Black 250 grain FTX. I've got 5 of these left. I'm going to see how they group at 100. And then I've got 5 reloads with some IMR 4227 to try out and see how we can get those to group up as well compared to the factory load. Stick with us and let's shoot some groups here. We just have our standard GI magazine. I've got 5 factory loads in here. So we're gonna go ahead and see what we can do at 100 yards. Factory load on the top target, and then we'll shoot our hand loads on the bottom. Bam! So just like normal, we had perfect function and absolutely no pressure signs here on our brass. Let's go check out our target before testing some of these hand loads. Holy crap, folks. Once again, we've got 4 bullets in one hole and then 1 just barely outside, but I can still cover that whole thing with my thumb. That's gonna be just under an inch, I'm guessing. And I've seen that consistently with this factory ammo on 4 different occasions. I love it. I'm just hoping that I can duplicate it with some hand loads and get the same functioning and all that good stuff. So let's get back on the bench, try out our hand loads. And here's a quick look at our brass from those 5 shots with the 37 grains of IMR 4227. And obviously we have nice round primers, nothing wrong with the brass. And this was obviously a much lower velocity than our factory rounds. So you heard the gun wasn't cycling, so I had to manually rack every single round in from this second group here. But notice our point of impact between the factory rounds going approximately 2150 out of my barrel. This is maybe an inch low at 100 compared to my point of aim here. But I didn't run the chronograph, but we can see that the center of this group, which is also much larger, is about 2 inches low. So we're both low in velocity and unable to cycle the gun still. So yeah, still issues with functioning. I did some other tests throughout the day, and the load that I thought was working last time, only 9 out of 10 actually did work. Gonna have to revisit that. But realistically, I'm gonna have to pull the handguard off, probably open up the gas port a little bit, either get a new gas block or re-dimple the set screws for the gas block so that those are actually aligned instead of not aligned as they currently sit from the factory. Good job, Bear Creek. But anyways, like, the factory stuff, it functions. I just don't know what stinking powder they're using. My barrel can shoot. I know the barrel can shoot. I know the gun can shoot. I'm just having gas issues still. They make a pill for that. Anyways, yep, same stuff as always, but still an incredible accuracy from the factory rounds, but still unable to duplicate that with any sort of hand load. Anyways, I appreciate you hanging out. If you enjoy this sort of content, feel free to like the video and subscribe to the channel. You can also support me over on patreon.com/dummyround. Thanks for hanging out. We will see you in the next video. Have a good one.